In today's video, I'm going to take you to a really cool place and show you an area of the Northern Neck in Virginia called Windmill Point. And I'm going to show you a couple of cool things. One thing is an amazing house that is unlike any other. We went there during the daytime, and I actually had a showing there the other night. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like at night because I think it's its own experience in general. So we're going to get to that later in the video, but I'm simply going to take you for a ride to Windmill Point. There's a marina there. There's a pier that just recently opened that's open to the public, a beach, a restaurant. And unlike a lot of the areas around here that are not open to the public, this area is not just somewhere you can go, but it's somewhere that you could go and spend the day. Spend the day with your family. There's events that go on there. There's one called Taste on the Point, and it's just a really cool place. I've gotten to where I love spending time on Windmill Point. That said, who am I? My name is Josh. I'm an agent with Bragg & Company Real Estate. If you're buying or selling a home in the Northern Neck or Middle Peninsula of Virginia, I'd love to earn your business. But let's get to it, to Windmill Point.
I remember the first time I ever heard the name Windmill Point. My dad and I used to go fishing down near the Hampton Roads area, a little beach called Buckrow Beach on a fishing pier. And I remember hearing folks going on a boat to a place called Windmill Point and how the cobia fishing was so great there. Windmill Point got its name from an actual 1800s windmill that stood on the shoreline and served as a navigational landmark for early watermen. The Windmill Point Lighthouse, built in 1869, marked the entrance to the Rappahannock River for nearly a century before it was dismantled in 1965. A replica of the original lighthouse still stands near the point today, preserving its historic silhouette. And today, the Windmill Point Marina offers direct deep-water access to both the bay and the river, making it a favorite for offshore fishing. Back in the mid-1900s, Windmill Point was home to a waterfront resort that drew families for fishing trips, beachfront weekends, and live music. And today, the beach has now been restored to having public access and a recently opened pier that you can walk. Another thing that's cool is the point sits at a rare orientation where you can see both sunrise and sunsets over the water. The old Surf and Suds and Pelican Cove restaurants made Windmill Point a summer nightlife hotspot during the 1970s and 1990s. Dolphin sightings are common in late summer as schools follow baitfish into the river mouth. To get to Windmill Point, you have to go through a small town called Whitestone. Whitestone being a part of the triangle of Northern Neck, Whitestone, Irvington, and Kilmarnock. Whitestone got its name from a large white rock formation used as a navigation marker by early sailors. The town historically served as a steamboat port connecting travelers to Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Whitestone once had a rail stop that shipped seafood and farm goods to major markets. Many early homes in town were built for fishermen, boat builders, and oystermen. And the town's original economy revolved around seafood, agriculture, and small-scale commerce. Today, Whitestone is known for its growing community of artists, galleries, and creative businesses. The area includes several historic churches dating back to the 1800s. Whitestone's Main Street recently has experienced a revival of boutique shops, cafes, and local restaurants, and being a gateway for Lancaster County for many that cross the Norris Bridge, it's not uncommon for folks to spend a day simply in Whitestone. Lancaster County was formed in 1651, making it one of Virginia's oldest counties. 4 presidents had family roots to the Northern Neck: Washington, Monroe, Madison, and Harrison. The county has over 330 miles of shoreline, more than many coastal states. Lancaster's economy historically relied on farming, boat building, and seafood industry. The area was once a major shipping point for tobacco during the colonial era. Lancaster County has one of the lowest population densities in Virginia. Many properties sit on ancient marine sediment, requiring modern engineered septic designs. The steamboat era, 1800s to early 1900s, connected the county to Baltimore and Norfolk by water. And of course, Lancaster County, Windmill Point, and Whitestone are all a big part of the Chesapeake Bay and Rappahannock River. The bay is fed by more than 150 rivers and streams, including the Rappahannock. The bay's average depth is only 21 feet, making it surprisingly shallow. Over 3,600 species of plants and animals depend on the bay ecosystem. The watershed covers 64,000 square miles across 6 states and DC. More than 18 million people live within the bay's watershed, and it produces around 500 million pounds of seafood annually. Want to live near the Chesapeake Bay or on Windmill Point? Let me show you the perfect house. 6512 Windmill Point Road is a house like no other. It's situated very close to the Windmill Point Beach, a short golf cart ride or even a walk. You could spend a day at the Windmill Point Beach. The home itself is an experience. It's luxurious. It is surrounded by water on 3 sides. I've got to visit the home during the day, at sunset, and at night. The person that buys this home is going to want to spend time here, not just have a home here. There's someone that has reached a stage of life where it isn't just chasing the next thing, it's perfecting the experience of each day. Maybe they're in their 50s or 60s, maybe younger, but the means and freedom, they've built a career, maybe strategic moves, and now they want a place that reflects everything they've achieved and everything they love. The property sits on approximately 5.8 acres, which is unheard of in the Windmill Point area to have that much land, and the land has over 1,200 feet of shoreline. The home itself, built in 2007, is 4,726 square feet. It includes 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. 2 of those are full and 2 of those are half baths. The estate offers a detached 3-car garage and a roundabout driveway. The home is constructed of solid block and built to withstand storm conditions. The interior includes hardwood floors, high ceilings, and large windows providing natural light. The property includes an elevator, an ADA accessible roll-in shower, and wide doorways. It also includes a private apartment with its own electric meter, making it suitable for guests or rental use. Exterior features include a dock with a boat lift and 3 floating jet ski docks. It's close to local amenities such as the Marina and shoreline at Windmill Point, but also highly accessible to other boating and waterfront living areas. The first floor of the house, currently used for storage and activities, it's set up for someone with a hobby with plenty of room to move about. The first floor also has an outdoor living area with a wet bar and an outdoor television setup, outdoor speakers, and a view that's priceless. Just steps away from another patio with outdoor furniture, another area with a fire pit, and of course, the dock. The second floor offers a great room with very high ceilings and another amazing view. The kitchen is bright, spacious, and beautifully appointed with sleek countertops and expansive workspace that makes cooking feel effortless. The open, air-filled layout flows naturally into the living spaces, creating welcoming, chef-friendly, and entertaining-ready environment. The main living area, wide open, sun-drenched, and elegantly designed, featuring soaring ceilings and oversized windows that frame the breathtaking water views. The room feels airy, comfortable, and grand, providing relaxed, luxurious space that's perfect for gatherings or quiet evenings by the water. The living room is warm, inviting, and beautifully open, anchored by a classic, elegant fireplace that immediately draws your eye. The space feels grand yet comfortable. The fireplace adds a cozy, refined, and timeless touch, perfect for chilly evenings or quiet moments with the family. The entire room feels serene and thoughtfully designed, creating harmonious, luxurious, and welcoming gathering space at the heart of the home. The primary bedroom is serene, private, and generously sized with tranquil water views surrounding with windows 180 degrees. A balcony, the soft natural lighting, and truly restful spa-like retreat that feels both luxurious and comfortable. The guest bedrooms are inviting, cozy, and thoughtfully designed, offering ample space and peaceful views. Each room feels welcoming, bright, and comfortable, perfect for family and weekend guests. The private apartment is one of the nicest finished room spaces over a garage that I've ever stepped foot in. The separate apartment suite is versatile, spacious, and beautifully self-contained with its own bright, functional living spaces. It's ideal for multi-generational living, long-term guests, or a private retreat like home office setup. The bathrooms are crisp and modern, well appointed, with clean, timeless finishes and spa-inspired details. They feel fresh and calming and stylish throughout. Thanks for riding along with me today. Windmill Point is one of those places that stays with you, the kind of spot where water, the sky, and the quiet all come together in a way you don't forget. If you ever want to learn more about homes down here, or you're thinking about making a move to the water, I'm always here to help. I'll put my information down below. This is Josh with Down by the Bay in VA. We'll see you next time.